PN masks.
Achoo! Are you sick? Don't you dare sneeze on me. Do you know how far your germs can travel? Normally, you hold about half a liter of fluid in your lungs, so when you sneeze, you're able to spray as much as a water bottle's worth of mucus into the air around you. It shoots out of your mouth in the form of moist, germ-infested clouds traveling up to 35 meters per second. That's fast enough to give you a speeding ticket on the highway. One brave group at MIT discovered that the biggest droplets can travel up to 2 meters, about the distance between your desk and 2 desks away. But most other droplets, those travel much farther, up to 8 meters. That's about 5 desks away. Not only that, the germ-infested gas cloud is less dense than the air around it, so it rises upward right into where the ventilation systems and other people's unsuspecting noses and mouths await. Now, if you happen to notice someone around you sneeze or cough, you can hold your breath as you move out of range. But during this pandemic, that might not even be enough because there are danger zones everywhere.
We are used to thinking about masks as single directional and only protecting the wearer. But masks can protect in both directions when you breathe in through them and when you breathe out. This means that when everyone is wearing masks, there are in fact two masks between any two people. The first mask cuts disease transmission in half and the second mask cuts it in half again. So you end up with 75% of drop in disease transmission. If every contagious person infects on average 2.5 other people, and if you could drop that to below 1, then each contagious person will affect fewer than 1 person on average, which will be enough to control the spread of COVID-19. If 60% of the people wear 60% effective masks, disease transmission will drop by 60%.
As you saw, there are a lot of benefits on wearing a mask. With PN masks, you can do a lot more than just protect yourself. Along with 75% reduce in transmission, our masks also look cool. Check out our premium collection now. Check out our limited edition masks, only available for sale till August 15th. Reduce in 75% transmission for 2 people is 150% reduction. Call 76760 to order your mask or order online at pnmask.com.
PN masks.